Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to explore 6 tools for social media management. With the help of these tools, we can create your monthly schedule and make your pages more creative and optimized. So let's dive right in. Number 1. Hootsuite, a comprehensive social media management solution that offers scheduling, monitoring, and analytics all in one place. It integrates with several social media platforms and provides features like a social media calendar, trend monitoring, and competitor analysis. Number 2. Crowdfire, a social media management tool that allows you to connect with your audience on multiple platforms from one place. It offers features such as content and image creation, AI-powered caption generation, and scheduling and publishing posts. Number 3. Buffer, an AI-powered social media management tool that simplifies managing your social media presence across multiple platforms. It offers features like creating and scheduling posts, tracking performance, and understanding your audience. Number 4. Social Pilot, a social media scheduling tool that is compatible with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Tumblr. It offers features like social media scheduling, bulk scheduling, RSS feed automation, and content curation. Number 5. 10 Studio, a team of professionals that create explainer videos to help you simplify complex ideas through engaging animations and voiceovers. Number 6. CoSchedule, a marketing platform that allows you to view all your marketing efforts in one location. It offers features like an all-in-one marketing calendar, social media post scheduling, and analytics. So there you have it. With these tools, you can manage your Facebook content creation and organize your monthly content creation calendar. Thanks for watching.